Okay, Pawpaw, Sammy, and Atterbuck here. This is sweet potatoes 101, okay? I bought this sweet potato at Walmart a week or so ago. If you look careful, you'll see the little vines starting to come out. That's slips. That is slips. So you take your potato, get your thing of water, put you some toothpicks or anything to hold it right there. Keep it watered, keep it sitting on the side. In a week or 10 days, those little slips will grow into vines. The vines will form roots. You cut off below the roots, you plant the slips in the yard, and there you will have your sweet potatoes. It's really not complicated, people, but I get a lot of questions on it. They call these, on sweet potatoes, they call it slips. On Irish potatoes, they call it eyes. Same difference. You can plant this potato if you want to. It will grow slips, and it will reproduce. But you can take one potato, well, look at this. I can see 2, 3, 4, 5. I can see 5 eyes coming out, 5 slips coming out on that thing right now. So let your slips grow. They might even get 2 foot long, but they'll form roots in the joints. You might get 5, well, not 5. You can get 2 or 3 slips off each vine, and you plant it. Plant it in a hill, built up mound where it'll stay dry, not wet. It'll rot if it sits in wet water, too much water. So, like I said, in a couple of weeks, that will be my slips to plant right there. All right, thank you and subscribe.